Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add your Codecademy course and badges to your resume using your laptop. This is a great way to highlight your coding skills to employers and hopefully find a job in the future. Let's get started. First, you need to open your browser and go to codecademy.com. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. If you haven't already logged in into your account, you can simply log in using your email and password. Once you have logged in into your account, you can simply go to your profile tab on the top right corner, and once you are in here, you can simply select the profile option at the top from the drop down menu. Once you are inside the profile option, pick the course or projects or badge that are most relevant to the job you are applying for. For example, web development courses for a front-end developer role. Include them in your resume under a section like certification or skill and achievements. Use the course or badge name, the issuing organization, that is Codecademy, and completion date as well. If the job allows digital resume or PDF with links, it will be easy for you to add URL of your certification from Codecademy so employers can verify your achievements. First, double check your resume for clarity and accuracy. Make sure Codecademy courses and badges are easy to find and highlight your relevant skills, and that's it. Now your Codecademy achievements are ready to impress employers on your resume. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and comment which course you will add first. Keep learning and keep growing your career. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.